Namaste. Just imagine you got to know from your best friend that somebody named Victor is going around and saying nasty things about you. You became full of rage and wanted to confront this Victor guy and give him a fitting reply. But due to Victor's stature, you couldn't confront him and kept your anger back. Now take another scenario. You liked someone. You went, started a conversation and became friends with them. After some time you realized that you don't just like them, but you are in love with them. So you expressed your feelings to them, but sadly they didn't feel the same. In both situations, whether it's anger or love, basically these are feelings or emotions which couldn't find their proper expression. Like these examples, we cannot always express our thoughts and feelings. There are many thoughts and emotions we carry around which couldn't find their proper expression in our life. These unexpressed emotions and thoughts are stored up in the deeper layers of subconscious and unconscious mind, affecting negatively experience and expression of our life. This practice brings out the hidden contents of the deep unconscious into the conscious mind and purges them. This develops self-awareness and relaxes the mind, which leads to more focused, concentrated mind and energy. Namaste.